Hi guys, this is your upline and chief Patman Sinatiraja. Firstly, welcoming you home after an unbelievable weekend. And this weekend was just a different league. Hands down, it was the best weekend ever. It was a great crowd, 9,000 people from over 80 countries. All right, all of your countries were represented, so I was very proud of the country representation. The energy was here. It was just so high, so amazing, all right, to see the passion, the belief, the excitement of the IRs coming to this weekend. It was a great venue, all right, Sentul International Convention Center, one of the best venues we ever had VCon. In service was rock and rolling. The V partners, the AVPs up on stage was unbelievable. There were amazing testimonies. And if you stay glued onto VTube on our V website, we're going to upload bits and pieces of VCon. So those of you who missed VCon will be able to understand what you missed. And those of you all who went to VCon, congratulations for attending the greatest event in network marketing history. The fact that you guys have attended VCon and now you're back home, remember, find two. That was my message. All right, that was a message by all the V partners. That go back to the fundamental basic building block of our comp plan. That everyone has to just wake up, smell the coffee and find two. All right, so I'm just confirming my two. By the next few days, I'll be signing them up. You just follow me on Facebook on V Managing Director and you'll see my new signups. All right, I hope I'll be able to support them enough with my busy schedule. But bottom line, VCon was a great experience. You learned so much. You experienced so much. You had that click where you crossed the line, where you said, I want to do this. I want to do this. All right, and all of you who attended VCon have found your dream. All right, and I want you to remember that dream. I want you to constantly remind yourself that you have this dream, that you have this destination that you want to go. And yes, there will be challenges, but you made the decision at VCon that you're going to be a warrior. Because I gave you the choice that you're either a wimp or a warrior, and all of you chose warrior. All right, and all of that put together has to convert to results. That right now you're back on the ground, you met your leadership, you had your emergency meetings. And those of you who didn't attend VCon, I'm sure you heard enough stories from your uplines about the amazing experience and the amazing learnings that they brought back from VCon. Now all of this is a bundle of passion, excitement, knowledge, and just fire, all right? Pure, unbelievable fire. Now you need to convert that into BV. You need to convert that into RSP. You need to convert that into your checks going up. That all this excitement, all this passion, all this fire must be converted to action, all right, to activities, to more business presentations, group, home meetings, one-on-ones. There must be an aggressive revolution of going back to the basics of finding two, because you have to find your two. All right, in order to find your two, to find that powerful networker on your left and the powerful networker on your right, the potential AVP, V partner, you have to find two. Because finding two is the basic fundamental pillar of our comp plan, all right, of how you get rewarded. So bottom line, as I told everyone at VCon, and I'm telling you again, find two. Get out of your comfort zone. Pull out that list, which you should have always with you. All right, go back and sign people up and don't stop. All right, because find two and rule 3 is the fundamental pillars of what you need to do on the ground. Now, I don't want you to focus on complicated trainings, all right, life-changing trainings. Let us do that. We are the experts at that. You go back to the basics. You need all your activity to be result-orientated. You need all your activity to produce more BV in your organization, to get all your checks ups. All right, and things has to rock and roll even higher, faster, bigger, stronger. All right, because you have to understand one thing. Okay, don't forget why you became a networker. You became a networker to live free. You became a networker to make your dreams a reality. And in order to achieve that destination, okay, you got to go back to the basics. Find two, find two, find two. That's my message to you. All right, I need you to convert everything you experience back to BV and bigger checks. BV, bigger checks. BV, bigger checks. That's your focus. That's what I want you to focus on. All right. So VCon is over at SICC, but VCon should not be over in your mind and in your heart. That your organization should perpetually be in a VCon mode. All right. Because VCon you were not sleepy. Right. During VCon you were not tired. During VCon you had no excuses. You were there. You were switched on. You were passionate. You were committed. And I want that to continue this year, 2012. I want VCon to live within you. I want VCon to live within your organization. I want your whole organization to feel and experience what you experience at VCon, but convert it to BV and bigger checks. Right now, there is no time for you to rest. There is no time for you to switch off. There is no time for you to hold hands and sing Kumbaya with your family members at home. So cancel your holidays, cancel your Sunday family days, because you've got 100 days left this year. Approximately 100 days. 100 days left before 2012 is over. I want you to make every day VCon. I want you to make every hour VCon mode. I want you to make every minute count. I want business presentations here, presentations there. I want your activity, all right, on result orientated BV activity, from here to go here, all right. I need you to be more aggressive than you have ever been in 2012. Because these last 100 days, I want your checks, your BV, your downlines checks, and the growth of your organization to be bigger in these 100 days than it was in the past 265 days of 2012. Because I believe that sometimes 3 months of dedicated hard work, all right, can be much more powerful than 9 months of singing Kumbaya. Okay, so you're coming to the last quarter of the year. September is almost over. Please focus on finding your two. Find two. F2. That's the message. One mantra. Don't complicate the message. Don't talk about 265 things. Focus on one mantra, which is F2. I want everyone, old, new, brand new, sign up 6 months ago, already earning checks, not earning checks, earning big checks, just struggling to earn first check. Doesn't matter. Everyone restart your engines and find two. All right? The AVPs are finding two. The V partners are finding two. I've got messages coming in my BBM, in my mobile phone, non-stop about people are finding two. And I want you to post it on Facebook. Let's create a social media blitz. All right, excitement, passion on Facebook. So if you're not on my Facebook, you're a moron. So get on my Facebook, V Managing Director, Padman Senati Raja. All right, a lot of information, a lot of photos, a lot of updates will be on the Facebook. All my videos will be on Facebook for you to watch. But right now, starting now, watching this video, stay glued onto VTube. VTube is going to be the focus platform of me communicating messages to you, me showing you highlights of VCon, key messages of VCon, on everything else exciting happening around the world is going to be on www.the-v.net, and then you click on VTube and you get all these videos, 8 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes. Wherever you are in the world, Middle East, Africa, Asia, Europe, America, South America, North America, wherever you are around the world, remember this, your journey 100 days must be the most powerful journey of your life. This 100 days, every day count, every hour counts, every minute counts. VCon was great, but VCon hasn't stopped. It must continue in you, it must continue in your organization for the next 100 days aggressively. One mantra, find two. One mantra only, find two, guys. I love you guys. All right, remember, you must want to do this. Remember, you have found your dream. Stay focused on it. Remember, be a warrior. And most importantly, remember our mantra, find two. I love you guys. It was a great VCon. All right, and it's going to be the best year 2012. Find two.